Hello, Northwood grade 1s. Nice to see you all again. I have a very exciting lesson for you today because today is such a special day. All right, firstly, today is the first day of May. Secondly, today is Music Monday. So if you've seen the mini assignments that I've been posting the last 2 weeks, you know that Music Monday is the day that we celebrate music education all over Canada. And thirdly, today is also the start of Asian Heritage Month. So we have so much to celebrate today, so much to explore musically. So let's get started with our hello song. 1, 2, here we go. Hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. It's music time by yourselves. Now we are going to be skipping over our Four Seasons song today because we have so many other things to do, but if you would like to sing it at home, feel free to pause the video and do it now. But it is time for me to teach you the May song because it is our first music lesson of May. So let's get started. The song goes like this. I want you to put on your listening ears so that you can hear it first. Hooray, 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 it's May. 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 Hip, hip, hooray, now it's May. Hip, hip, hooray, now it's May. And then we repeat it. That is the whole song, okay? So the first part, very simple. I'll sing it first and then I'll hold my hands out when it's time for you to repeat. Hooray, 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 it's May. Your turn. Good, now the melody's gonna change just a little bit. Hooray, 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 it's May. All right, now we just repeat it. Let's put it together. 1, 2, 3, and hooray, 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 it's May. Hooray, 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 it's May. Okay, let's sing that again because it happens twice in a row. 1, 2, 3, and hooray, 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 it's May. Hooray, 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 it's May. Okay, and then the next part, we are going to chant together, and chanting means that we're using our talking voices. It does not mean that we're shouting. We're using our talking voices, and we are saying it all together. So it goes like this. Hip, hip, hooray, and you can do a little fist pump, or you can raise the roof, or whatever you want to do to celebrate that it's May. Hip, hip, hooray, and then we do 3 claps. Now it's May. Hip, hip, hooray, now it's May. Okay, if you want to do a little dance for hip, hip, hooray, you can do whatever you like. Just do something that makes you feel happy and celebrate, and then add in those 3 claps. Let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, and hip, hip, hooray, now it's May. Hip, hip, hooray, now it's May. And that's the whole May song. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, here we go. Hooray, 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 it's May. 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 Hip, hip, hooray, now it's May. Hip, hip, hooray, now it's May. So another really exciting thing that we're celebrating in May is Asian Heritage Month. We're going to be studying a different Asian musician every single lesson and learning a little bit about them. And in our mini activities that I post on Fridays, I'll get you to do a little activity that is related to that artist. So the artist that we'll be learning about today is fantastic. I think you're really going to enjoy learning about this one. His name is Yo-Yo Ma. And Yo-Yo Ma is a very famous musician, and he plays an instrument called the cello. Now, you might remember from our Black History Month unit that we studied an artist called Esperanza Spalding. And Esperanza Spalding played a big instrument, a very low string instrument that she had to stand up to play, called the bass. Now, Yo-Yo Ma plays an instrument that isn't quite as low as the bass, but it has some similarities. So it is a string instrument, just like the bass is and just like the guitar is, because it has strings on it, okay? However, this string instrument is played sitting down. You play it with what's called a bow, which is like a long stick that has little strings on it, and that long stick rubs against the other strings and creates sound with it. The sound of the instrument is a little bit higher than a bass, but it is still one of the lowest instruments in an orchestra, okay? An orchestra being a big group of instruments that play all together, all right? So he plays the cello. So feel free to look around online and listen to some of Yo-Yo Ma's music, but I will be posting some activities for you to do about Yo-Yo Ma on Friday when I post the mini activity. So the next thing we're going to do today, everybody, is we're going to be going over to my keyboard and we're going to be singing our theme song for Music Monday, which is Hymn to Freedom. So for those of you who have celebrated Music Monday before, you know that on Music Monday, everybody in Canada, all the music students, they learn a special theme song. And this year the theme song is Hymn to Freedom by Canadian musician Oscar Peterson. So we're going to start singing the song just by doing some repeats. I'll sing first and then you can sing back. You're going to know that the song starts because it has a very distinctive little bass lead-in. So here's our first line. When every heart joins every heart. Okay, sing that back for me. 1, 2, 3. When every heart joins every heart. Let's sing the next line. I'll sing it first and then you're going to repeat afterwards. And together yearns for liberty. That's when we'll be free. Okay, remember that line because it gets repeated quite a bit. Let's try singing that together. And together yearns for liberty. 1, 2, 3. And together yearns for liberty. That's when we'll be free. Let's learn the second part. Okay, the lyrics are different. Melody is the same until the very end. The melody is going to go down instead of going up. Here's a little bass lead-in. I'll sing first and then you can sing back. When every hand joins every hand. Now your turn to sing it back. 1, 2, 3. When every hand joins every hand. All right, then we go on to, and together molds our destiny. That's when we'll be free. And together molds our destiny. That's when we'll be free. That ends our second repeated section. So let's move on to the new section. I'll sing first and then you can sing it back. 1, 2, 3. Any hour, any day. Okay, sing it back. 1, 2, 3. Any hour, any day. Okay, now we're gonna have a big jump here, and it goes like this, listening first. The time soon will come. Now make sure here that you're opening up your mouth and you're singing using your singing voice coming out of the top of your head, not pushing. All right, the time soon will come. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. The time soon will come. Okay, here's the next line. When we will live in dignity. When we will live in dignity, that's when we'll be free. Sing it back. 1, 2, 3. When we will live in dignity, Now we're going to go back to the previous melody from the beginning parts, but with different lyrics. So I'll sing first, then you can sing it back. And of course, you're going to be led in by that little familiar bass line that you heard before. When every voice joins in our song, and together singing harmony, that's when we'll be free. Okay, let's try that together. 1, 2, 3. When every voice joins in our song, and together singing harmony, that's when we'll be free. Now we go back to that middle section, the any hour, any day. We're going to skip over singing this part since we already practiced it and go straight to the final section that ends the song. When we sing the full song, you'll hear the any hour, any day part sung twice. And then we sing through the final section that we sang before, and it's the same lyrics, same melody, but this time it's the last time. So we are going to slow down at the end to tell us that it's over. When every voice joins in our song, and together sings in harmony, that's when we'll be free. And that is how Hymn to Freedom ends. So there you have it. There are all of the sections and all of the lyrics. And remember, I did post the full lyrics in your music mini assignment last week. So if you want to pull that up to help you sing along, you absolutely can, or you can use the lyrics on the screen to help you out. Now, let's sing through the entire song. 1, 2, 3. When every heart joins every heart, and together yearns for liberty, that's when we'll be free. When every hand joins every hand, and together molds our destiny, that's when we'll be free. Any hour, any day, the time soon will come when we will live in dignity. That's when we'll be free. When every voice joins in our song, and together singing harmony, that's when we'll be free. Any hour, any day, the time soon will come when we will live in dignity. That's when we'll be free. When every voice joins in our song, and together sings in harmony, that's when we'll be free. I'll see you again next time. Happy Music Monday, everyone. Thanks for singing along with me, and I'll see you soon.